class, today we have a new video. This one is found in Swun 2-5 and 2-6. It is multiplication using the distributive property. Our learning goal or objective is today I will multiply using the distributive property. Our first vocabulary word is distributive property. The product can be found by decomposing. What decomposing means is breaking down. So the product can be found by decomposing one of the factors into smaller numbers, multiplying the two new sentences, and then adding the product. Okay, so for example, if I have 3 times 56, I would look at the bigger number. So I need to break this number down, and how we decompose is we use that expanded form. So I have 50 plus 6. I'm going to put those in parentheses, and I'm still going to write times 3. So now the distributive property says 3 times, and then the first number, 50. And I'm going to put that in parentheses, and then I'm going to add 3 times the next number, 3 times 6. Okay? And then I would just solve each one of those. But the main thing I want you to know is that you read it like this: 3 times, then the first number, and you put that in parentheses, then you add, and then you read 3 times the second number, 3 times 6. Okay, we are decomposing, so we're breaking down a number into smaller parts. For expanded form, that is a review from Unit 1. It is a number decomposed into the values of each digit. So for example, if I have 5,281, this would equal to 5,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 1. That's expanded form. Our first step is look at both factors. You need to circle the greater factor, and then you need to, I am looking and I see using base 10 blocks, and I think we have a little bit of a typo. So it should say, look at both factors, circle the greatest factor. We're just going to cross these out. I apologize. So step 1 is going to be circle greatest factor. Step 2 is going to be rewrite the equation. Rewrite equation. Step 3 is going to be distribute. And then 4 is going to be solve. And I apologize that I had a typo here. Okay, I'm getting out my red pen. I have my first problem. It says find the product of 4 and 156. I need to circle the greater one. So 156 is the greater one. And I need to rewrite the equation. So I have 4 times, and now I need to put this in expanded form. So I have 100 plus 50 plus 6. And now I need to distribute. So I need to do 4 times 100. 4 times 100 plus 4 times 50 plus 4 times 6. Okay, and now I need to solve. So 4 times 100 is 400 plus 4 times 5 is 20, and I have 1 0, so 200, plus 4 times 6 is 24. So I have 400 plus 200 plus 24. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So my product is 624. Okay, our second one is find the product of 214 times 3. So circle the greater factor. Rewrite the equation. So I have 3 times 200 plus 10 plus 4. And notice that I like to always have my expanded form second because then it's easier for me to distribute. So step 3 is distribute. So 3 times this first number, 200, plus 3 times the second number is 10, plus 3 times 4. Okay, so now I'm solving. 3 times 200 is 600. 3 times 10 is 30, and 3 times 4 is 12. So now I'm adding to solve. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 1 plus 3 is 4. 6 is just 6. So my answer is 642. I'm getting out my green pen, so you are following along. Step number 1, find the product of 4 times 222. Circle the greater number. Step number 2, rewrite the equation. So I have 4 times 200 plus 20 plus 2. Step 3, distribute. So 4 times 200 plus 4 times 20 plus 4 times 2. And now I need to solve. 4 times 2 is 8, and I have 1, 2 zeros. So 800 plus 80 plus 8. When I add that, I get 888. Okay, second problem. Find the product of 423 times 3. Circle the bigger number. Rewrite the equation. So I have 3 times, and now I break this number up in expanded form. So I have 400 plus 20 plus 3. So 3 times 400, I'm distributing now, plus 3 times 20, and then 3 times 3. Oh, I don't know why I wrote an 8. Plus 3 times 3. Okay, and then final step is to solve. So 3 times 4 is 12, and I have 1, 2 zeros. So 1,200 plus 3 times 2 is 6 with 1 0, so 60 plus 9. So I have 1,269 for my product. Okay. You have 2 homework problems, and I'm just going to pause it there. Some of you haven't been getting your last page, so make sure, even if you don't have it, you're still solving those 2 so I know your understanding of this lesson, and then rate your understanding. Have a wonderful evening.